LiteFinance, the world of financial freedom.
Hi guys, Trader Michael here. So as usual in our weekly video, I'll discuss the things for which you should pay attention to in upcoming week. Starting with the calendar, Monday promises to be less interesting as usual. I think that something will start to happen on Tuesday. I'm talking about revised GDP data from Japan, which are very poor, and the German ZEW. Apart from all the most important data, which will certainly move the quotes, the most important for us will be Thursday, where we have decisions on interest rates from the Eurozone. However, the press conference will be more important for us because most likely interest rates will not be changed. But at the conference, we should look for any hints on a possible reduction of buying bonds program due to economic growth in the Eurozone, which in theory should weaken the common currency. Another important data are US inflation. The latest payrolls showed us, apart from the increase in the number of new jobs created, a significant increase in wages, which may mean that inflation will not be temporary as explained by the Fed, but more permanent, which raised concerns about the possible restrictions of printing money in the form of all the stimulus and benefits that made the last few months, we can say, so fruitful. So it shows how everyone is dependent on the drip. Moving on to the charts, first let's see what we have on Euro USD. And we see clearly that the market took the latest NFP as a negative signal and took the price back to the very strong resistance level. If we add Fibonacci levels, we see we bounced back from 61.8 and are consolidating between that and 50 level. So I will be looking for short or long trades when we break through this zone with up or down and look for additional confirmation depending on the strategy you trade. So briefly about the oil, and since it is, I guess, only one asset that is doing its job, which is continuing to move to the upside along with the fundamentals. Still, I see the opportunity to reach the level of $75 per barrel. Last thing that I would consider interesting is to check the currency pairs with CAD, mostly CAD paired with yen and US dollar. Canadian dollar was the strongest currency recently and continues to gain strength, but we are approaching very significant support and resistance levels. On top of that, we have rate decisions and press conference. If the BOC officials will be still very hawkish like last time, we could see some stronger moves on those currency pairs. Below and above such areas, many traders do set their stop losses. So if the market would continue to move against them and try to break through those levels, it could trigger bigger moves. But hey, remember, this is just my unbiased opinion and this is highly speculative. So I guess that will be all for today. Thank you for watching and until next time, guys. Take care.